Welcome to Trevea Nubali, a modern community that blends innovation, sustainability, and the peaceful rhythm of nature. And today we're taking you inside to the stunning three-story designer home that captures exactly what it means to live luxurious here in the South. And welcome to Trevea Nubali. One of the best things about living here in Trevea is how accessibility it is. You're only about 1 to 1.5 hours going to Manila and roughly 1.5 hours going to Batangas City, making it perfect midpoint for families with business in the north and south. There are multiple routes you can take from Manila. You can go via SLEX through Santa Rosa exit or enjoy smoother drive through Calax from Mamplasan exit. You can also enter through Greenfield, Eton, Silangan, or Mayapa exit, all leading straightly to Nuvali's planned roads greeneries. So whether you're coming home from a long trip or a quick city trip, you're never too far from home, and yet far enough to enjoy peace and quiet here in the South. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako. We will show you this beautiful house and lot, and this is a newly built house and lot here in Trevea Nubali. So as you can see, this is our main entrance, and on the other side, this is our car parking that also fits 2 cars. So this home sits on a 270 square meter with lot area and the floor area of 397 square meter. And it's a single loaded lot facing east, which means you can get a beautiful morning sun every day. Perfect for an energizing and inspiring start to your mornings. So this is a newly built house and lot, and kaka-finish lang niya this October, and pwede na kayong move in anytime this coming November. So later, pasukin natin yung loob nitong ating property. And as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa carport niya, and then this other side naman, actually magkakaroon pa tayo dito ng gate, i-close ito ng owner natin. Then ang likod natin, meron pa rin tayo dong backyard, and also we have the access dito sa other side naman ng swimming pool. So tara, samahan niyo ako, ipakita ko sa inyo yung loob ng property na to. Let's go! So hi everyone! Welcome to your new home. So upon entering to this property, you will feel the openness of the living area. So makikita nyo naman yung light from the outside, siya yung magiging pinaka-ilaw nyo pagpasok nyo dito ng property. So as we mentioned, this property is a fully furnished house and lot. So lahat na makikita nyo, mayroon lang ibang mga gamit si owner na hindi kasama upon buying to this property. So on this side, this is our living area. Then we have the sofa. So kasama na yan upon buying this property. And from your living area, bubungad naman sa inyo on this side. This is our 10-seater dining area. So ayan, makikita nyo napakalaki ng ating dining area, and of course meron na rin tayong lighting dyan. And actually maganda dito kasi meron nang naka-install din si owner ng mga lights, which is pwede siyang mabago, or it has a tricolor. So yan yung mga in for this generation or sa mga bagong binibuild na mga houses. So from your dining area, so you will see this one. So akala nyo para siyang design ng house natin, but actually this is a storage area or a pantry dito sa side na to. So if you have a grocery, so pwede nyo lang siyang ilagay dito. So dagdag design din siya nung unit na to. So from here, you will welcome naman on this kitchen area. So we have this counter kitchen top. So mini lang siya, but of course, pwede nyo na rin ilagay dito once na nagluluto kayo. Ito, nag-a-add siya ng additional space sa atin. And ayan, meron na rin tayo dito mga fixtures, cabinets, yan. And of course, kasama na itong ating refrigerator. And on this side, nandito naman yung ating kitchen sink. So where you can wash your dishes, and of course, naka-La Germania na rin yung ating cooking top. So this is a La Germania, and of course, we have the Rangewood. La Germania din yung brand niya. And as we mentioned, all the features here, meron na rin tayong mga cabinets and storage area. So this is a newly built. Kaya naman, maganda kasi kung gusto nyo or may mga buyers talaga tayo na naghahanap ng newly built property here in the Valley, so baka ito makonsider natin. So this property is only selling for 52 million. So pakita ko na rin sa inyo one of the advantage for this countertop, meron na rin tayong mga additional storage on this area. Ito, ipakita ko na rin sa inyo. So ayan, may mga storage area na rin to that can also pwede nating lagyan ng mga things natin. And syempre, on the other side naman, you will see here is our storage area also. So, napakarami yung storage area for this property. So, hindi kayo mauubusan ng paglalagyan ng gamit nyo. So, syempre, ang maganda pa rin dito, once you buy this property, talagang kayo na lang yung pupunta. Kasi everything you need nandito na sa bahay na to. Pagdating sa smart features, so sofa, bed, and everything. And ang advantage pa dito, we have the swimming pool area. So, let's go. So, from here, makikita nyo naman, we have the convertible room, or dito, ang ginawa ni owner dito is entertainment area. So, makikita nyo yan, meron na rin tayo ditong sofa bed actually. So, this is our sofa bed. Then, ayan, talaga namang lahat is open. Makikita nyo tagusan. Pwede nyo siyang takpan ng curtain kung ayaw nyo talagang see-through. Pero maganda dyan, lahat is tagusan yung dadaanan nyo. And yan, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, we have the pool area. So, kung may mga visitors kayo at ayaw nyo nang pumunta ng clubhouse, pwede nyo itong gamitin. But actually, as we mentioned, this property is walking distance lang from the clubhouse. So, kung ayaw nyo dito, may mas malaki naman tayong clubhouse which is walking distance lang from your property. And ang advantage pa dito, napakalapit nyo rin lang from the main entrance. So, eto makikita nyo rin, pag lumabas tayo, makikita nyo meron pa tayong additional space from your outside. So, yan, makikita nyo rin, pwede niyang, kung may mga kids kayo, pwede rin silang mag-play dyan. So, actually, this community is gateless din tayo. So, syempre, since kilala naman tong developer na to, you don't need to worry about the security or in terms of security. Kasi, yan yung one of the dues or binabayaran natin dito. So, yung safety and security natin once na nakatira tayo dito sa loob ng subdivision. So, yan, balik tayo dito. So, makikita nyo rin, all rooms, including this entertainment room, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, talaga namang hindi na kayo mag-iisip kung saan-saan kayo pupunta in terms of maggagamit ng CR. So, lahat dito is meron na tayo. So, and now, samahan nyo ako. Pupunta naman tayo sa second floor. And actually, on this house and lot, lahat ng rooms natin is located at the second floor. Tara, samahan nyo ako. So, actually, as I mentioned, this house and lot is newly built. So, talaga namang wala pang tumitira dito sa property na to. So, from the stairs, ang bubungad agad sa atin dito is itong ating unang room. And dito naman sa kabilang side, makikita nyo yung chandelier natin to your living area. So, talaga namang napakalaki niya. And on this side naman, pwede nyo rin itong i-convert or kung may mga gusto kayong ilagay dito or mini table, so pwede rin siya dito sa area na to. So, ito yung ating first room on the second floor. And ang maganda pa dito, each room dito may mga different design and each toilet and bath iba-iba rin yung design ni owner dito. So tara, samahan nyo ako, pasukin natin. So as you enter, ayan, makikita nyo, ito yung ating bed. And ang maganda pa rin dito, very unique sa house and lot na to, each room may sarili kang balcony. So ayan, makikita mo yung outside. So since ito is facing morning sun, makikita nyo, hindi mainit yung ating lugar ngayon. So, hindi siya sobrang init. Unlike kapag talagang facing afternoon ka, napakainit nung rooms natin. So, ayan, ito yung ating first bed. So, ito naman, makikita nyo dito, ito yung ating toilet and bath. So, may partitions na rin siya. Then, ayan, ito yung ating sink. At ang maganda pa rito, livable na siya kasi we also have the PIX cabinet naman dito sa area na to. So, ayan, makikita nyo. Then, after this, punta naman tayo sa second room. So, from there, ito naman ang puntahan natin. Ito yung ating second room. So, dito sa second room natin, ayan, makikita nyo, malaki yung ating bed. So, from the design kanina, tingnan nyo to, iba na rin siya. And ang maganda dito, each rooms, meron na rin tayong mga sariling aircon. And as I mentioned, ayan, meron din tayong balcony on this side. So, ang advantages, so talagang wala na kayong ipapagawa. So, each area, meron na tayong cabinets. And also, this is your toilet and bath and shower area. So, meron na rin siyang partitions. Ayan. And from here, punta naman tayo sa ating third room. So, ito yung ating third room. So, ito medyo malaki siya. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, ito na ulit yung design ng pinaka-bed natin. So, makikita nyo, very customized din ni owner yung kanilang mga design pagdating sa mga bed frame and everything na naka-install dito sa property na to. So, ayan din, may sarili kang balcony. So, maganda dito kasi hindi kayong parang pagising mo sa umaga, gusto mong parang coffee or something na gusto mong dudungaw ka sa yung from your bed. So, yan, maganda tong spot na ito. Then, syempre, we have the toilet and bath here sa side na to. Ayan. So, ngayon, puntahan naman natin yung pinaka-master's bedroom natin. So, on this side lang, makikita nyo, ito yung ating master's bedroom. So, syempre, since master's bedroom, malaki siya. And, ang maganda pa rin dito, syempre, as I mentioned sa inyo, meron tayong balcony. So, on this side naman, yung magiging access nyo to your balcony. So, pakita ko rin sa inyo para ma-experience nyo yung sinasabi namin na single-loaded na house and lot dito. So, ayan, makikita nyo, wala tayong katalikuran. And, ang advantage pa dito, nandito na lang yung ating clubhouse. Then, ito yung ating pinaka-park. So, wala talaga kayong haharang sa view nyo. And, ang maganda pa dito, napakatahimik since this is an Ayala project development here in Nuvali. So, balik tayo sa loob. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo na hindi ito kagaya ng typical na mga house and lot na lote na binibenta natin. Kasi yung ibang property na regular is talagang meron kayong katalikuran na lote. So, ibig sabihin nung pag nagpatayo, magkakakitaan kayo. So, this is one of the advantage ng owner nung binili nila to. So, this is what we call single-loaded house and lot, yung build neto. And of course, since this is a master's bedroom, ito yung ating walk-in closet on this side. So, nandyan na siya, yung ating mga walk-in closet. Ayan. So, nandyan na yung mga cabinets. And on this one, this is also automated na. Yan. So, automated na rin siya. Then, we have here, may partitions na rin. And ito yung ating sink or lavatory natin. And syempre, ayan, may mirrors na rin tayo dyan. So, as we mentioned, this property is also have a smart feature, then automated na rin siya, na kahit wala kayo dito sa Pilipinas, kahit kayo nasa abroad, you can also see or kayang-kaya nyong i-monitor or buksan yung ilaw. So, yan naman yung mga uso na ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, na kahit nasan ka, kaya mong ma-view lahat ng property or kaya mong pailawin yung mga unit or yung pagdating sa balcony or ilaw nyo sa terrace. So, kaya nyo buksan kahit wala kayo dito sa Pilipinas. So, since we mentioned this property has third floor, so on the third floor, we have the theater room. But later on, ipakita ko sa inyo. property natin, we have also the available rooms for the driver or helper. So if may mga additional tayo na mga kasama sa bahay, maganda dito meron na rin silang sariling kwarto at saka toilet and bath. Kasi madalas naman sa mga property na ino-offer namin, talaga namang laging may sariling privacy sila. Kasi syempre, pag wala din yung may-ari ng bahay, so hindi sila mahihiya pa na gagamit or papasok sa loob ng property na to. So that's all for today. So if you're interested and you want to know more details about the property we're offering here at Trevea Nuvali, so please don't hesitate to message us directly at 63917-513-2484. It's my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. See you on my next one.